Now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Now. The world around us has changed. It's more personalized, more demanding, more impatient. To stay ahead, you need to give people what they want, when they want it, and how they need it. Manufacturers, we understand the host of new challenges you're facing. Greater customization, increased flexibility, and better collaboration. You need smarter solutions that deliver zero disruption and maximum efficiency. With OMRON, you can make it happen. Let's plug and play, move and adapt, make modular popular. Let's make the production line shine while wasting less and innovating more. Let's unleash the power of IoT and set your business free. Now this is creative manufacturing, designed for the future.